Hey guys, Bert with Atlas. Today we're just gonna do a pretty simple cut, at least for us. We're gonna do a Glock with an RMR cut. So we're gonna take you through the process of that and show you what it looks like when we're done. All right guys, fresh out of the machine. You can see we put our logo on there. What we also do is we put what size screws that we cut for. We pretty much cut for 6/32 on all of them, even the Hollison Ks. The Hollison Ks on a lot of factory stuff you'll see in the 440s. They're just, in our opinion, they're too small of screws. There was some reworking we had to do with the files, but we made it work where you still use 6/32 even on the Hollison K series, or the RMSC series, I should say. It's a much more robust screw with, you know, better thread engagement and such on a little bit bigger screw. But yeah, so that's kind of it. What I'll do is I have a test optic right here I'll grab. Nice press fit. Optic doesn't fall off. That's with no hardware. If you check out our video from a few years ago, you'll see a real kind of walkthrough on how tight these really get. I mean, you'll hold the whole slide. With no hardware. So yeah, we also cut a little bit deeper than a lot of other places, so makes lower 1/3 co-witness a little bit better, stuff like that. And just in case you're asking, this front sight, the reason it's not out is it's actually staked. So to avoid him having to spend quite a bit of money on a new sight just to get an optic cut, we'll go ahead and mask this off when we spray it, and you'll never notice the difference, but that's kind of why that's on there still. So yeah, anyway, that's one of our Glock RMR optic cuts. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you could, like, subscribe, do all that. We're trying to do a lot more videos. Let us know what you want to see more of, what you don't want to see more of. We're open to suggestions, so thanks.